When I came here, I had so much lack of confidence, limited vocabularies, so much nervousness and hesitation to face people's. But now, after joining this institute, I have become more confident and I have very much vocabulary to share my ideas. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Today I am going to share about importance of education. Education is most powerful tool in our life. It helps us to grow, learn and understand the world around us. Without education, there is no opportunity in our life. Education is not just about reading books or passing in exams, but also it helps us to growing knowledge, gaining knowledge, developing skills and becoming a better person. Education is more important for every human being because it shapes our future and help us to become a better person. Education teaches how to think, how to solve problems and how to make right decisions. It opens our mind to how to understand what is wrong and what is right. Without education, a person can never make any right decisions in our life and never face any challenges of his or her life. An educated person can understand their responsibilities towards his family, society, and the nation. Education empowers women and give them equal rights and opportunity. An educated woman can take care of his family, contribute to society, and inspire others. In this line, education brings equality between men and women to grow up together. In this era, in this modern era, education has become even more important, and only educated person can keep up with it. Education gave us a skill to how to understand the computer system, how to understand internet, and how to understand other new modern products like which makes our life more easy and productive. In the conclusion, education is the foundation of our life, which brings us to happiness, confidence, and success in our life. Without education, there is darkness, and with education, there is light. Therefore, every child, girl or boy, must get the chance to get the education and go to school and study well, because without education there is nothing in this world. Therefore, every child, girl or boy, must get the chance to go to school and study well, because education is not just about a need, it is the key to a bright and successful future for all of us. Thank you.
Okay, she spoke very nice and her body language was also very good. And while speaking, she was looking confident. That is very important while speaking. When you are going to speak in front of people on stage, on podium, so that is very important to show your confidence, show your energy. So she showed something that things whatever I wanted to see in herself. The most important is whatever you're going to speak. So try to show your energy with the words, with the sentence. Your facial expression is very important. Okay, if you are going to speak about excitement, so speak and show your facial expression that you are going to speak. Yes, I am speaking about excitement. If something is going to speak like sadness, show your facial expression. Yes, I am sad. That is going to match your speech, your body language. That can impact very nicely on audience. So audience will also take interest to listen to you. This is very important. But you spoke very nice. You tried very nice compared to last time when you came first time. So that time you were not doing very nice, but at this time you are doing very nice. I think audience also impressed. I'm also very impressed because of your speech. Okay, so let me ask a few questions, try to answer. Is a degree is very important than skill?
Degree is more valuable than a skill, but skill is very important because they reflect real world ability, creativity, and practical knowledge that help us to achieve success beyond academic qualifications or certificates.
Okay, so my next question is that do you feel more confidence while communicating with audience and while discussing in group?
Yes, I feel more comfortable in communicating during class because now I can understand more better, I can speak more clear, and now I can share my thoughts without any hesitation and fear.
Okay, so what do you want to suggest those students who wants join these your success classes?
I want to suggest you that
What do you feel right now?
I feel more comfortable and more confident after joining this institute.
Try to tell audience and course and trainer.
The trainer is very good and he is very frank and open minded. That's why we can easily share our thoughts with him.
Okay, and what about course structure?
The course structure is very unique style. There is no grammatical rules. This is all about sir's style. So that's why it is very easy to learn English.
Okay, very good. So, do you want to suggest my audience something about course and this institute
Come and join Sure Success classes
to learn English
to
communication?
learn English communication.
Okay, clap for her. Okay, so she was Sana Parveen and she has been learning English communication with me for 1 month. She has improved so many things. When she came first time, so she had hesitation and she had no confidence. But at this time, guys, you can see she is speaking very nice and her confidence has improved also. While speaking, she feel very comfortable in front of people, and while communicating in GD class, she is also doing very nice. So I hope she is improving in herself, and let's see after 2 months, because she has also next 2 months. I hope she is going to break that barrier and getting good fluency with whatever she wants. Okay, so if you really want to join and if you really want to become a successful speaker, so join Sure Success classes, because Sure Success classes provide very nice structure to learn English communication without learning grammars, rules, and tense rules, because we are going to follow the structure of the psychology, importance of psychology, that is very important in English communication. So if you really be good speaker and speaking English, this is your aim, and become good speaker also, this is your aim to join source. I can say 100% that you can improve your communication, because here something is different than another, that's all.